Hello class, today we're going to be talking about the Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem states if you have a right triangle and you square the lengths of the two sides that make up the right angle and add them together, you would get the same number you would get by squaring the other side. The lengths of the sides are called A and B, and the side across from the right angle is called the hypotenuse. And the length of the hypotenuse is usually labeled C. This is called the Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem states that given a right triangle with legs A and B and hypotenuse C, then A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. Suppose you drive directly west for 8 miles. Then turn south and drive for 6 miles. How far are you from where you started? Using the Pythagorean theorem, 8 squared plus 6 squared is equal to C squared. Why? Can you see that we have a right triangle? Which side is the hypotenuse? Now, all we have to do is calculate. 8 squared plus 6 squared is equal to 64 plus 36. 64 plus 36 is equal to 100, and 100 is equal to C squared. Since C squared is equal to 100, C is equal to 10. And you end up 10 miles from where you started. Now we're going to practice using the Pythagorean theorem to solve these right triangles. Let's use Pythagorean theorem with this triangle. A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. Pause the video now and try it out for yourself. A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 4. So we have 3 squared plus 4 squared. 3 squared is equal to 9 and 4 squared is equal to 16. 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. The square root of 25 is 5. So C is equal to 5. Let's try it again with one more triangle. This time, instead of looking for C, we'll be looking for B. Pause the video now and try this out for yourself. So, A is equal to 5 and C is equal to 13. So, 5 squared is 25 and 13 squared is 169. We're going to subtract 125 on both sides of the equation, and we'll end up canceling out 25 on this side of the equation, and instead we will have a minus 25 on this side of the equation. So we have 169 minus 25, which equals 144. The square root of 144 is equal to 12. So B is equal to 12. Thank you very much. This concludes the video. Leave a comment below and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.